symptoms. Gallstone itself doesn't cause any symptoms. You won't notice your gallstones unless one gets stuck somewhere and cause a blockage. It can cause severe abdominal pain. Now, according to American College of Gastroenterology, about 80% of people who have gallstones have silent gallstones. Now, this means they don't experience any pain or have symptoms. Now, let's see how to identify gallstone pain from other abdominal pain. Gallbladder pain most often occurs in the upper right side of your abdomen, right under your rib cage. Now, this is the place where your gallbladder is located. But sometimes it feels more vaguely located in your abdomen. The pain can also radiate to your right arm or shoulder blade. It starts as an ache and then steadily increases in intensity over the first few hours before receding again. Despite the name, biliary colic is not a colicky pain, which is sharp and comes in waves. It has a slow and a steady arc and is usually dull but severe. It may bring you to the emergency room for relief. You may also notice that your upper right abdomen is tender to touch. Biliary colic is often accompanied by nausea and vomiting. It's also called as gallbladder attack. Pain from gallbladder attack is sudden and sharp. This pain doesn't worsen or change when you move. Now let's see what are the other symptoms of gallstone. When a gallstone causes a persistent blockage or an infection, you will have symptoms of acute inflammation. So this may include constant pain, fever and chills, nausea and vomiting, and heart rate accelerations. You may also begin to show symptoms of bile accumulating in your bloodstream such as jaundice, which is a yellowish discoloration of your skin, mucous membranes, and the whites of the eye. You may have sunken eyes and dark-colored urine. Make an appointment with your doctor if you have any signs or symptoms that worry you. It will help to prevent unwanted future complications. Now let's discuss about the risk factors of gallstone. You're more likely to get gallstones if you have a family history of them, if you're a woman, if you're over age 40. Obesity is one of the common causes of gallstone. If you have a diet high in fat and cholesterol but low in fiber, then you are at high risk of having gallstone. And then lack of exercise can be a risk factor. Other important risk factors are like use of birth control pills or hormone replacement therapy, pregnancy, diabetes, intestinal disease like Crohn's disease, hemolytic anemia or cirrhosis of liver. Alright, that's all for today. Hope you find